usable IP is this one, right? Because we are making the changes in the opted. So edit usable IP range is from.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. It is correct. Everybody is on leave. Someone message in the group that he will not attend the class today.
No, no, I mean I think Gavraj he messaged. I think he's not able to attend. I think today.
Yeah, Gavraj. Where is Lakshman and Ravi Shankar?
Not sure. I mean, if you could just message the on the group, maybe they will join it. I'm not sure.
Let me message in the group. Subhajit,
Yes, sir.
uh, are you able to see the fourth question which has solved Abdul? Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir. I'm
Fourth,
opening.
fourth one,
But
185. 185.16.0.0.
yes, sir. I see, but my PC is hanging. Just a minute, sir.
Okay, no issue. Abdul, can you please recheck it?
Which one? The fourth question you're saying?
Fourth one.
Okay.
First of all, you need to check either is it class B IP address or class C.
I mean, even if I subtract, right, 24, this is the class B, right? 16 minus by 24, it's 8, right? Then, so you'll be left with 2 to the power of 8.
Number of network will be
I mean, there's only one, I think. 2 to the power of.
only one. How?
Should be.
Lakshman, Have you solved all the questions?
So the
Yesterday's
block size
problem?
will be one, but
Sorry, sir,
here
but I
is
have not
Right,
only
Look,
I have not two questions.
Yeah, Subhajit, tell me.
in fourth question, the block size will be 1,
yeah,
256 minus 255. But here is the 256 minus 2. What is that? I can't understand. Is that number of usable? Oh, it's number of usable hosts.
number of users we can use it, like 256 minus
Oh,
64,
then it's right.
number of usable
Is
hosts.
it right? You
Mm,
are also saying?
subnet mask is right. Number of usable hosts.
This is
Right.
the total.
First IP address, network ID is right. First usable host is also right. Yes, sir. Right, sir.
The block size should be 1, right?
Block size should be one.
Yeah.
That one.
Even if I try to subtract, right, 24 minus 16, if it is falling under IP address like a class B, right? If you subtract the 24 minus 16, it still is gonna be 8. You will be left with 8, right? So 2 to the power of 8, which is 256.
No,
256 minus
I am asking about number of networks.
One networks can be found.
only one network, one block.
Only one?
Yeah,
How you are calculating only one?
In number of network,
there
2
is
power 0 is equal to 1.
yeah, 2
It
to the
will be
power.
2 to the power 0 or it will be 2 to the power 8 for the fourth question.
Yeah, 2 to the
2
power
to
For
the
8.
power
the fourth
8.
question, sorry, I am saying the same.
Abdul,
Yeah,
it will be 2 to the power, will it be 2 to the power 8 or 2 to the power 0? Number of networks.
for the network 2 to the power of 0, which is
2 to the power of 0. How you are calculating 2 to the power 0? It's a class B network. And what is
right.
the default subnet for the class B network? It's 255.2 slash
250,
16. So
right.
24 minus 16.
Yeah,
So it will be 2 to the power 8.
yeah, that's what I wrote it here. That's what
Total
my calculation was. Yeah,
total number of hosts you have written,
yeah, number of
not number of networks.
2 to the power of 0, 2.
Subhajit,
Two, two networks.
Yes, sir.
will it be 2 to the power 8 or 2 to the power 0 for the fourth one?
2 to the power 8, sir. 2 to the power 8.
So is it right?
Here is not mentioned that the network number of subnets is 2 to the power 8.
Lakshman, fourth one is correct.
Yes, sir, 2 to the power 8.
So what will be the answer? Write down. Write down in the chat box. You know,
I mean,
Abdul,
even if
the
it
examiner's eyes only catch the mistakes of the students.
right, even if we calculate the the class B, right, it's gonna be the same like 256 16, right? It's gonna be 256 minus 2. I mean, sorry, 255 for the class B,
I'm
which is
not
a 6.
asking about the subnet mask. I'm just asking about the number of network. What will be the formula of the number of for the number of network?
2 to the power of whatever the this IP, which is we subtracting from this 24. So this IP falls under the class B, right? 2 to the power of 8.
No, fourth IP fourth IP will fall under which class?
Class B.
Subnet mask will be default subnet mask will be 16. So 24 minus 16 is equal to 8. So 2 to the power 8.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Yeah, but you have not mentioned. You have written number of host, not number of network. And after that, you mention only number of usable IP. That is 256 minus 2.
Okay. How many networks will come? I mean, number of
2 to
networks
the
here.
2 to the power 8 network.
Yeah. That's what I'm telling. That's what I said. Even if you calculate the number of network is going to be the same, 2 to the power of 8.
But the number of usable IP will increase because number of networks are 8 and 8 networks. Each network have 254 usable IP. Are you getting my point, Abdul?
Yeah, each network, right? Yeah.
Each network will have. So it will start from 185.16.0
Dot 0.
dot 0 to 185.16.0.254. Then the second one will be 185.16 and the block size will be 1.
This,
You're doing mistake only in the fourth one.
0.02. So this is the network ID. This is the first. Okay.
Subhaji, open your pen and solve this question.
254. I think the
Sir,
network
can't possible because
global host is
my
right.
router is down now and I'm joining from my mobile.
Okay. Lakshman,
Number.
Yes, sir.
you are also joining from mobile?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No issue.
Sir, but I can say the answer if you tell the question what I need to solve.
185.16.0.0.
Slash 24.
Yes.
Sir, just allow me for 1 minute. I'll
Abdul, for the
call
third
my
one,
service provider.
for the third one,
Yeah.
what is total network you have written here?
64, which is 256 minus 192. Blocks of 64. And excuse me. And you have three, 6, 2 to the power of 6 minus 2, which is a 62 host IP. We can assign to the 64 number of networks.
Can you solve this question? Third and fourth one only.
Third and fourth. Okay. Ready.
Just share your screen. Because today is the last session on subnetting. Are you solving on notepad?
Yeah.
Okay, solve it.
See, third and fourth. Okay. So subnet marks and everything is correct, right? Except the network ID, right?
Yes.
The networks, right?
And you have not written also the block size. Can you share your screen? You guys are not following the formula.
Sir,
Yes, Subhajit.
sir, the answers I sent you yesterday was those right, sir?
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
let me check it. I'm checking just right now. I'm checking.
Okay, sir.
Abdul, you have not calculated in any question block size.
I mean that's a block size, a number of hosts which I'm using, which is in each question. If you see network, this is the block size only as per the calculation.
Okay, let me check also the room.
Network is like
Okay,
a,
1 minute. Let me check it. You can solve third and fourth one. Did you solve, Abdul?
yeah, I did one. I'm doing another.
Okay. Next one, you are joining also from mobile, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So did you solve yesterday all the questions?
No, sir. Sorry.
Gaurav and Ravi Shankar both are absent today today's class. Okay. Okay. No issue. So, Lakshman, do you have pen and paper?
Yes, sir. I am solving the fourth question. I solved the fourth question answer. Whether can I say
Yeah,
or
yeah,
I
yeah.
need to
Tell me.
text?
Tell me.
Sir, for 185.16.0.0/24, subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0 and its block size will be 1. Number of networks can be formed is equal to 2 power 8. Number of hosts can be formed is equal to 2 power 8 minus 2. Then the usable host, the network address will be start 185.16.0.0, and the broadcast will be 185.16.0.256, and the
256
usable
256.
yes sir, 256 255, then only it will come around 256.
Okay.
Then the IP address will be 185 dot starting IP address 185.16.0.1 to 185.16.0.255.
Exactly. Good. So do you guys want more practice on it today, this topic?
Yes sir, it will be helpful.
Okay. Abdul, once you solve, let me know. You are doing a small mistake.
Yeah, I mean, I, I just send you this one. I mean, correct me. I mean, if I'm wrong anywhere, because I'm selecting either one of that for the network. You know, in the first question, because I'm if
1 minute,
if
let me check. Then after I.
yeah.
No.
No, I mean,
185, absolutely wrong. Block size is wrong.
so I'm subtracting 256 minus 192.
In 185.16, fourth one. Why will you subtract 192? The value is 256 minus 255.
Fourth question you're saying, right?
Yeah.
For the fourth, third. Okay. Third one, you know, because you're left with this one host bit right here. If you
Yeah.
see,
Third one block size is correct. Third one block size is correct.
what about the fourth one?
And number of networks are also correct.
So what is wrong? You're saying in which
Uh,
question? Right? What is wrong in this one?
in the last one, fourth one,
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I got
block
that.
size. Block size.
The, okay, the block size because you know I was subtracting either. Sorry, it's
256 minus the value in the last octet in which one is present.
because it's a zero, right? It's a zero. There's
No,
nothing there.
one is present. Did we consider zero?
Yeah, I mean, 2 to the power of 0. It's like one
Or we
network.
consider only the number started from one?
In the last octet, right?
Last octet in which one is present. Am I saying right, Lakshman and
One is I didn't get
Yes
that.
sir,
Subhajit?
256 minus the value of log starter which carries the value 1.
Abdul, 1 minute. Let me ask you another question from you have solved. So, what will be the number of what will be the block size for the fifth one?
For the fifth one, okay.
Fifth one and sixth one.
Yeah, it's just like one, right? This one network, just one network, 2 to the power of 0, because you don't have any
No, I am asking about the block size, not asking about the network.
256 minus 1.
256 minus 1.
Yeah.
Should it be 255? You are confused. Okay, no issue.
Sir, I have one more, like, one doubt.
Yeah, yeah, one. Let me
Sir,
know.
whenever the default PADR value like class 24, then the IP address also class C. When both of them has the PADR 24 by default, then by default we can say the IP address. Am I correct?
1 minute. So what was the fourth one question, Abdul?
Uh,
185, this one, 185.16.0.0, this one,
185.16 dot.
0.0 slash 24. Excuse me.
Is it a class B network or class C network?
It's a class B.
Okay. So what will be the subnet mask, Abdul?
Yeah, 255, 255.0.
If we write the subnet mask into the binary form,
Yeah, it should be 11111 8 ones, 8 ones, 8 ones, 0, 0.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
What is the formula to calculate the block size?
256 minus
Last octet which carries the value 1.
So what is the value of the last octet in which carries a value of 1? Abdul?
carry of 1, meaning you're looking from the right side, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So it should be on the right side. This one. 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 2, to the power of 4. That's how you go, right? From the right to left?
Yeah.
Okay.
So simply, I am writing the formula again here. The value of last octet which carries at least one, one, one. So here any one is present. This octet
No,
carries any one.
no, there's no network bits on. This is the host bit. They're all are off.
Okay. So 256. Here one is present.
Yes, 1, 1, 1. Yeah,
What is the value of this octet? Value of
255
the last octet which carries at least one, one. What is the value?
for the third octet.
Yes.
I mean, if I calculate in the
It's
third
quite
octet,
simple. 255, my dear.
yeah, 255.
So the block size will be 1. Second one, number of network. Two to the power given CIDR value minus default CIDR value.
16. Yeah.
1 minute. So it will be 2 to the power given CIDR value is 24.
24.
Default CIDR value is 16. So the number of network will be 2 to the power
8.
8. Third one, number of hosts.
Number of hosts is going to be the same.
Valid host
2.
per network.
Yeah.
2 to the power 32 minus given CIDR value minus 2. So 2 to the power 32
It's gonna be 8 to the power of 8, 256 minus
minus
250.
24. So
Yeah,
it will be 2 to the power 8
yeah.
minus 2 will be 254. What was the IP address? 185.68.0.0.
Yeah,
Okay, is it correct?
yeah, it is. Yeah,
So
and
what
the
will be the
user
first IP?
will be 16 dot 0 dot 1 254. You can go up to 254. 255 is the broadcast. Excuse me.
This one is a single network. But how many network we can make? 2 to the power 8 network we can make. Subhajit,
Yeah. So in each network, we can go
we
up to
can
250.
increase the value with 1. So the next
Yes,
network
sir.
will be 2 to 185.16.1.0.
16.1.1.
You did that this
1.0 is
mistake
the
in each and
network
every
ID.
question, every in this question. I have checked. You have only solved this one. You haven't written about this one. Okay?
Me, sir.
1.1. Why I am writing here 1? Because block size it is 1. So this value will increase by only 1. 1.2, 18.16.1.255. How many total number of valid hosts will be? 254. How many total number of valid hosts? It will be 254. So will be the last, what will be the last network? Last network will be 165, 185.16.255.0 to 185.16.255 dot 255. Abdul, where are you getting confused? Let me know.
Only, I mean, when we are calculating here, right? I'm able to calculate from the first network to the,
Yesterday you were performing very good, but today why you are getting confused? I don't know.
yeah,
Lakshman, where are you
Yes,
confused?
sir. Uh, Actually, we can number of networks can be formed is 2 power 8 as now.
Yes.
But only we have formed like 0, 1, then dot 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 16. Like 17 only we have done, but it goes on now.
No, no. We will not increase the value in the second octet. Is there any changes I am performing in the second octet? No, I am performing the changes only the third octet and increasing it
Yes, sir.
by 1. First of all, it was 0, then I am increasing it to 1. Again, then I will increase it by 1, 185.16.2.0, 185.16.2.1, and the last one will be
16.255.
1.255. This one will be the third network. Okay? Number of network will
Yes, sir.
be 256. So it will be the first network. It will be the first network. It will be the second. It will be the third. and so on. It will be the last one, and it will be the
17.
256th.
17 only.
256th. Why are you getting confused in 17? It is
No,
16. I am not making any changes in the second octet.
because this
Oh,
is
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
still falls under the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now
I am
understand, sir.
increasing this
I made
value
a
only.
silly mistake. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Now understand.
because this is like a standard. This is like a default. It's never gonna change. The first two octet class.
Whenever the CADR given value is 8 or 16 or
Yeah,
24 or
then
32,
then only
it has to default.
according to that we perform the changes, and we will have to add the value according to the block size.
Oh, yes.
Okay? Is
Block
it
size will be one whenever the default CADR
suppose
value will be given.
let's suppose any question in which block size will be different? Yeah, let me
Rather than default CADR
one
notation,
minute,
everyone will be
1 minute. 185 dot 16 dot 0 dot 0 slash uh, suppose it is slash 22. Okay, Abdul, what will be the subnet mask?
Yeah, it's 255 dot 255 dot and yeah, 255. No, I think you 255 dot 255 dot should be like in the third octet. Should only calculate up to 6. So 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus
252.
4. So it's 252. 255.255.252.0.
Okay, is it
Yeah,
correct?
yeah.
So the next one, block
So
size.
256 minus 252. That's a block size of 4.
If you are getting confused, you will have to revise from the videos. That is why I am sharing the videos. Okay, once you revise from the video, you will not stuck anywhere.
Right.
The next part we will have to calculate number of network.
Network.
Lakshman, what is the number of
2
network?
power 6. 2 power 6.
Is it clear for you, Abdul, how we are calculating 2 to the power 6?
Yeah.
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32.
Given
2 power 10 minus
CIDR
6.
value,
Minus 16. Given minus the default value, right? 16. So it should be
default
8.
value.
Yeah. Yeah. 6, I think. 2 to the power of 6, the
So
network. Yeah.
2 to the power 22 minus 16, it will be 2 to the power
6.
6. Third one, number of valid host. Lakshman, mute yourself.
Oh,
No,
sorry.
and number of valid. Yeah.
2 to the power 32 minus
2 to the power of 10, I think.
given CIDR value
Yeah, whatever it's gonna be 2 to the power of 10. And minus 2, 2 to the power of,
minus 2. So it will be 2
yeah,
to the power 32 minus 22
10
minus 2,
minus,
2 to the power 10 minus 2. It will be
yeah,
1022.
Right.
Okay. So
Yeah.
Lakshman, you are getting confused here. Sorry.
Uh,
You have 1 minute.
sir,
Yes. Ask.
sir, whenever we calculate the total IP address, that is total number of hosts, we use this formula. For to calculate subnet, one subnet, to calculate the subnet for one, to calculate the host for one subnet, then we will minus two.
This
Like,
is per
am I correct?
network. Per network. Only for one network. And there are
Oh,
64 network and each will have 1022 values.
okay, sir.
Okay. Abdul, is it clear for you?
Yeah. Yeah.
I am clearly writing number of valid hosts per network. And how many network? Number of networks? 64. So
Four.
if
So
you
each
want to
network.
calculate the proper total number of valid hosts for this IP address subnetting, so 64 will multiplied by 122, 1022. Is it clear for everyone?
Yeah.
It's a simple mathematics, class 6, 7 mathematics. Nothing beyond than that. 185.16.0.0.
Zero.
Okay. So the first IP address will be 185.16.0.1.
16.0.1.
And it will go up to 185.16.0.255. But what is this block size? Block size is 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will have to increase this value by 1 here in the same network. In the same network. 1.1. Then it will go up to 185.16.1.255. Then again it 185.16.2.0 and it will go up to Lakshman. Are you getting this point?
No, sir.
No, you are not getting. Subhajit, is it clear for you? Subhajit,
Yeah. Yes, sir.
is it clear
Yes,
why
sir.
I'm increasing this value by 1? First 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. Is it clear for you?
So in the last two octets, we are changing whatever the host
Why
bits are
why
like in.
I'm changing? Because block size is 4.
Because the network
1 minute.
block
So the
size
block
4 and
size
the
is
network
4. So
somewhat
0 to 3, how many numbers?
4,
4.
then 5 to 7. Oh, sorry.
So it will come under the same network. 0 to 3 will come under the same network.
Yeah, 0 it's gonna be like obviously network ID, and 4 is gonna be the broadcast. So
No, no,
usable
no.
should be
3
two,
will be the broadcast. This will be the broadcast ID. This will
and
be the
1 and
broadcast ID.
2.
3 will be the
Yeah, one.
broadcast ID.
Yeah, I got that. Yeah, yeah,
And it will be the network ID.
yeah. That is our network ID.
Okay. So how many numbers will come 0 to 255? How many IP addresses will come?
256.
256.
256. So plus from 1.0 to 1.255, how many IP addresses will come?
256.
256. Lakshman, give me a reply.
Yes, sir.
1.0 to
Yes, sir. 256.
1.255. How many IP addresses will come?
256.
256. 2.0 to 2.55. How many addresses will come?
256.
256. 3.0 to 3.255. How many addresses will come?
Same 256.
So 256 multiplied by 4. Am I saying right?
Yes, yes.
512 plus 512. So it will be equal to 1024. And first ID will be the network ID, last ID will be the broadcast ID. So how many total number of host, valid host in this network? 1022. And this one is what we are calculating. Is it clear for everyone? I think it should be
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Yes,
Abdul,
it is clear now.
Yeah, yeah, yes. Yeah.
clear? Why I
Yeah.
am writing here 1022 per network, valid host per network. 1022 because from 0 to 3 it will comes 1024 IP addresses, and first will be the network ID, last will be the broadcast ID, then the valid number of IP addresses 1022. This is only in a single network. And how many network can we make? 64 networks here. So if
Right.
someone asks total number of IP addresses, then what will you do?
Same you told no network.
You will
That value
have to
64 into
multiply,
1000.
you will have to multiply
64 into
1022.
1022.
Yes, multiplied by 64. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
After this class, revise the class from this video.
Yeah. Yeah.
You will have to revise this from 2 to 3 times at least. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So because class A subnetting is not easy, class C subnetting is very easy, class B and class A subnetting is not easy, but concept will be the same. And Subhajit solved each and every question with the concept. Yesterday in the evening, he sent all the answers to me. I am writing 4 to 5 questions from each class.
Sir,
Yes,
in before sums, by using the block size value only, we will do the sum. But now we are not doing like that.
I am using the block size value, brother, here. 0 to 3, how many numbers? 0 to 3, 4 numbers.
Four numbers.
So block size, what is the block size?
Four.
4.
Yeah.
So this is the concept of the block size. That is why we are calculating the block size. Write down these questions and you will have to solve all these questions. How much time do you want from my side? 10 minutes, 15 minutes? Lakshman, Abdul.
Sir, before I ask the last one doubt, yes, no, like, can you please add that specific screen
Yeah.
so that my doubt will be. Sir, in before we 0, 185.16.0.0, then 185.16.0.1, 185.16.0.2 will become, but you are writing 255. That's
Yeah, it is understood, brother, why I'm writing here. 1 minute, let me dot dot dot. Is it clear for you right now?
uh, but block size will be 4, then the number will it will increase now. That's all.
No, block size 4, then number will increase only 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 in one block, in a one network. It is only one network. And when you will write the second network will start from here. Are you seeing 185.16 dot 4.0? This will be the second network. It will go up to the 185.16.7.255. Abdul, is it clear for you why am I increasing by one? Are you there? Subhajit. Subhajit and
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Abdul.
yeah, I'm here. I'm here. I'm just, started writing this.
Okay. So, did you get why I am writing this?
I mean, after the class, I'm gonna go through this recordings, what this and work on this numbers, in the block size, how to write and all. Because I'm able to start off from from the beginning, but if you are increasing the blocks of the four, I'm like I'm having trouble in writing in the maybe like fifth or sixth, the IPS
So,
block size.
Lakshman, first of all,
Okay, sir.
solve these six questions. Then I will see where are you doing the mistake, and I will explain.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
start solving.
Okay, sir.
If the link will disconnected, I will send a new link to you guys. Okay, so I am going on a short break. Do you guys have any issue?
No, no, sir.
Sir, I
Write
have
down.
not written the question. Please wait.
Yeah, yeah. Write down this question. And Lakshman, it is up to the practice. If you will not do the
Okay,
practice, you will not able to solve the subnetting question.
okay, sir. But I do not know the exact question you have to practice
At
it.
least you will have to solve 10 to 15 questions for the next 10 to
Sir,
20
but,
days. Then you will be
sir,
able to
but
solve it.
by using subnet calculator, up to number
You
of hours.
don't use any application, because in the examination hall, in the at the time of the interview, nobody will give you any type of application, subnet calculator or something else.
Sir, but for number of the usable IP address, how to check whether I am correct or not?
Uh, Here I am giving each and every step why I am writing this 1022, why I calculated it from this network. Then why are you getting confused? I am not
No, sir.
getting.
After solving this problem, solving the questions, I can let you know.
Okay. Write down these 6 questions. Abdul, have you written down all these 6 questions?
Yes, I just yeah, I did that. Yeah.
So, sir, can you please share the screen?
Okay, let me share it. You will have to ask to someone, Lakshman. Okay?
Now the screen is visible. I think so. Ah, yes,
Write
sir,
down
visible.
fast. Write down fast it. First, write down all the questions.
Take a screenshot, Lakshman.
Yes, sir. Finish writing questions.
Subhajit, have you written down all these questions?
Ye- Yes, already. Sir,
Yes, Subhajit, ask me.
sir, you can give the link after 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we solve this question.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Lakshman,
Yes, sir.
how much question you have written down?
All questions, sir. 6 questions.
Abdul,
Yeah,
have you written down all these questions?
yeah, I wrote all of them. Yeah,
Oh,
I got. Thank you.
let me disconnect it, and I am coming back within 10 minutes. No. Lakshman, mute yourself. Lakshman, mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
How many questions you have solved, Lakshman?
Sir, 4.
Subhajit, are you there, Subhajit?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
problems.
No, I'm asking from Subhajit.
Yes, sir. I'm solving the fifth question.
Okay. Let me know if you have solved. Subhajit, have you solved all the problems?
Yes, I solved, but stuck in the number 5,
Lakshman,
except
what about you?
5 or solved.
Yes, sir.
Reply me in the chat box. Send me the solution in the chat box. Okay, what was the first question?
205.17.0.0/25.
Dot 17.
.0.0/25.
What will be the subnet mask? Lakshman?
255.255.255.128.
What will be the block size?
Block size 128.
Number of network
Number of networks is equal to 2 power 1 is equal to
is equal to
2.
number of valid hosts per
Number
network.
of 2 power 7 minus 2.
Okay.
And the broadcast address will be 205.17.0.0.
Network ID, what will be the?
Network ID 205.17.0.0. Broadcast will be 205.17.0.128. Oh, no. 0.127. Broadcast will be 0.127. The first IP address will be 205.17.0.1, and the last 205.17.0.126.
Where are you, Lakshman? It will start from 128 because it is ending on 127. The first network is ending on 127 and the second
Sir.
will be
I have said the inside first IP address, that first subnet. Starting IP address I have told.
what will be the last IP address for the second network?
Oh, for the 128 plus. Wait, you are asking starting IP address for the second subnet. Am I
Yes.
correct? Uh, 0 dot uh, 205.17.0.129.
Subhajit, is it right? Subhajit, give me
So what
reply.
you asked once more? So
You are
can you
not
repeat
paying
once
attention
more?
here.
What you asked?
Sir, screen.
Actually, I'm solving the fifth question. I'm stuck in it.
Okay. Abdul, what was the second question?
The second question.
Yes.
Sir, screen sharing, but we have not done the
Let me share the screen again. I will try to arrange this class on Zoom from the next week. Is it visible right now?
no, sir. The
Yeah, so
paint screen is not visible.
the screen is visible.
Abdul, what was the second question?
Sir, my first answer is correct or wrong? I
Yeah,
don't know.
first is correct. Class C subnetting is easy.
Oh,
Abdul, are you there?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Right.
What is the second
202,
question?
202.10.1.1, oh, sorry, 1.0 slash 26,
What will the subnet mask, Abdul?
255.255.255.192,
Block size?
Block size 256 minus 192, 64.
Number of network.
2 to the power of 2, it's 4.
2 to the power.
2 to the power of 2 is 4. 4 network.
Number of valid hosts per network.
64 minus
64.
2, which is 62 usable IP address. Yeah, usable IP, usable host.
What will the first network ID?
Right, which is the 202 10 dot 1 dot we are doing this fourth, right? 1.0. Yeah.
Okay. What will the first valid IP?
It's gonna be 202 10 dot 1.1.
What will be the last broadcast ID?
So we are going by 4. So it should be, the broadcast should be 202 10 dot 1.63. The broadcast.
Lakshman, is it same for you?
Not sir.
Where are you doing the
Uh,
mistake?
my an-
What is your answer?
my answer is 202 dot
Yes. Tell me.
101 dot 0.0 is the network address.
Zero dot
Actually,
zero.
Abdul write the question wrong, so that's why Lakshman's answer
Yeah, in the last octet. Tell me
is
the
also
last
right,
octet.
I think.
Yeah,
But
what
The
is
Oh
second
yeah,
actually, sorry,
100 and
wrote the question
202 dot
20.
101.
Yes,
one was it?
202
And
100 dot 101.0.0. But Abdul is right according his question.
this was the question?
Abdul brother made a mistake
Yes, sir.
in his question.
no.
But that's
Yeah.
according his question is right.
Okay. Okay. Lakshman, what is your answer? What will be your answer?
Sir, 202.101.0.0 is the network address, and
Oh,
202.101.0.63 is the broadcast portion. Then the inside IP address will be 202.101.0.1 is the starting IP address. 202.101.0.62 is the broadcast before IP
this will
address.
be the far first network.
Yes, sir.
So the block size will be 0 to 63. How many numbers? 64. Okay. For the second network. Total number of network? Lakshman, you were confused in the
Total,
last part.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Total number of networks can be formed is equal to 4. So it
So
will start from 202.101.0.64.
64. For the second network, it will be the network ID.
Yes, sir. It
Okay.
will be the network ID.
And what will be the
Then 127 last 101.0.127.
for the third?
102.101.0.128 dot 101.0.128, and broadcast will be 128 plus 126 plus 126 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 41 245 254 202.101.0.254.
254 broadcast? Where are you?
Oh, sorry, sir. The block size will be 63. No, sorry. Then 127 plus 63 will be the broadcast. Wait, sir.
Is it clear for
10,
everyone?
6, 7, 8, 9, 190.
Abdul,
Yeah, yeah.
same? I
64.
think it should be same for you also. Not a big deal. You did a silly mistake. It's not big deal. You have gotten the concept. That's important.
64.
This is class C, so it's easy.
For class B, first one. What will be the first one question? First question.
205.70.
No. 182.100.168.0/22.
182, 182
Two and
dot
182.100.168.0/22.
dot Abdul. Is it
Subnet mask
same?
will be
Is it same? You have write down the same question.
Yeah, but this is the
Third one.
third one. Yeah, this is the third one, right?
Yes. What will be the subnet mask, Abdul?
It should be 255 dot 22.
Yeah,
Yeah,
slash
yeah,
22.
255 dot 252.0.
Block size.
Blocks it 254. 256 minus 252 4.
Number of network.
24 minus last C is 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4.
Number of valid hosts per network.
2 to the power of 10 minus 2. 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 10 minus 2.
Is it same for you, Lakshman and Subhajit?
sir, the subnet mask is wrong.
Yes, sir.
255.255.252.0
Yeah,
will be
that's
the
Yes,
subnet mask.
yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
block size will
Lakshman
be
is right,
4,
Exactly.
sir.
right?
Exactly.
Number of network
Ex-
is equal to
This
2
is
power
wrong,
6, I
Abdul.
think so.
This
sorry.
is 22 will
Subhajit,
come
the
under the
number of network
third one.
value will be 2 power 6. Am I correct?
Sorry, I'm reading out incorrectly. Sorry, 255.255.252.0.
Okay. Lakshman, block size is
And the
correct.
number of network is
Block size is correct,
2
but
to
number
the
of networks will be 2 power 6.
6.
2 to the power 6.
And
Yes.
the
Abdul, you are doing a lot of mistakes. You are not following the formula, Abdul.
Did I?
then number of valid hosts per network will be 2 power 10 minus 2 is equal to
What you people have to
2022.
do, listen me. You have to write down these formula, whatever I have told you, in a page. Once you are going to solve any question, first you have to follow that similar formula and put the values according to that. Either it is a
Okay,
class
sir.
B, either it is class C, either it is class A, formula will be same. Are getting my point?
Yeah, bro.
Abdul, did you get how the number of network is 2 to the power 6?
2 to the
Subhajit,
power
is
of.
it same for you also?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Subhajit,
Yes,
reply
sir.
me.
Now it is right.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Subhajit, what will be the
Yeah,
first?
yeah, yeah, correct. 2 to the power of 6. Yeah, 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 right. Yeah,
You are not putting the value according to the formula, Abdul.
yeah, yeah. 2 to the power of 6. Sorry, yeah, 64.
What will be the first network up, Subhajit?
182.100.168.0. That is the network ID.
Okay.
The first usable IP is 182.100.168.1. The last usable IP is 182.100.171.254, and the broadcast is 255.
If I
Yeah, that is.
Lakshman, is it same for you
And
also?
after that,
Lakshman, 1 minute, 1 minute.
No,
172.0.
sir. No, sir. I think my answer is wrong. 182.100.0.0 will be my network portion for this question.
Why will be the 0.0? It is if it is given 168.
Sir, that actually it's a one. It's a 16. This comes under class. See. Oh, sorry, sir.
Class B,
182.
and we have to perform the
Uh,
changes in the third octet. Abdul, is it same for you?
actually, yeah, Subhajit, the answer is correct, sir. Made a silly mistake.
Abdul, is it same for you or something else?
Can you hear me? Yeah. It's 182.100.0.0, the network address,
Why it 0
right?
dot 0? Why it should be 0 dot 0?
182.100.1. We are looking for the third question, right? 182.100.168.0, right?
Yes,
Yeah, the network address should be 182.100. Sorry, 168.0.
yes,
168.0. Sorry. Yeah.
yeah,
Now, now I think my answer is correct.
No, no, 168.0 is it's correct.
yeah. So is it correct? Subhajit, answer is correct or wrong?
Sir, I think wrong.
Correct. This one is correct. 182 dot and the valid host 182.100.168.1, which is correct, usable IP, and it's going up to 254, which is correct. Yeah, I agree. Yeah,
171.
yeah,
Is it correct?
171. Yeah, yeah.
Correct? Yes, it is correct. Lakshman, you are wrong. It is 100%
Okay,
correct.
sir.
So, are you not getting the concept of the block size?
Yeah, sometimes
Yes,
I'm also
sir.
like getting confused a little, in the block size also.
It
Like
will
some.
go only with the practice
Yeah, yeah,
and
correct.
putting
Yeah,
the values into the formula. Write down the formula in a page and after
yeah.
do a lot of practice. You guys are not doing the practice.
Sir, but I don't know how to do practice.
You don't know how to do the practice.
Okay,
Sir,
okay.
the
I
thing is,
I understand. I will send you some from Cisco websites. Okay, Lakshman, I will send you some questions.
okay, okay, Subhajit, brother.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
The next one.
Actually,
Next one.
last 3 or 4 months ago, I did a lot of my practice. I can solve these problems within 30 seconds, but the lack of practice, now it is time increasing.
Oh,
Okay. Lakshman, what is the next question?
okay, sir. Next question is 190.100.160.0/20
190 dot
100.160.0/20.
is it same for you, Abdul?
Yes, correct. Yeah, that's correct. That's the question.
So, what will be the submit
Subnet
marks?
mask will be
Abdul.
uh, 255 dot 255 dot 240 dot 0.
Lakshman, is it correct? Same for you? Lakshman,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Am I audible? It's correct, sir.
Subhajit, is it correct?
Is it 240 or 248, sir?
I am asking to you. Is it correct?
He is
Yes, sir.
asking whether the
Sir, the
value
third
you
octave
written
is
is 240
240
or
or
240.
250 or 248. I can't understand, sir.
It is
He
20.
not understood
It
your.
is 20. It is 240.
It should be 248.
You are
At
saying it should.
240? I think 240, right?
It is correct.
Yeah,
It should be
yeah,
240
240.
only.
Oh, yes, 240. Yeah, 2 to the power 4.
What will the block size, Lakshman?
Block size will be 16. Number of
Number of network?
number of networks will be 2 power 4.
Number of validators?
Number of hosts 2 power 12 minus 2.
To the power 12 minus 2.
Yeah,
Okay?
that's correct.
So, Abdul, what will be the first IP?
190 dot 100 dot 160.0 and
First usable
usable,
IP?
it should be 190.100.160.1, and the last IP 190.100.175.254. Then the broadcast should be 255, the same 190.100.175.255.
Lakshman, is it correct for you?
No, not no, sir. I have not done the specific network portion and host portion. I got confused in this area.
Subhajit, is it
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir. That is correct. And same for me.
Yes. Lakshman, you are confused in third octet value how to change it. 160,
Yes, sir.
175. Exactly.
Yes, sir.
So, 1 minute. It is correct,
Now
Abdul.
I think I understood,
You understood it?
sir. I hope I understand.
Okay. That's good. What is the next question, Subhajit? Because you stuck in the fifth question.
101 dot 102 dot 103 dot 4 slash 21.
Block size? Subnet mask first.
Block size 6. Uh, subnet mask 255 dot 255 dot 248 dot 0.
Block size?
6.
6.
Number
256
of
minus
network. Yes.
248 is equal to 6.
8.
Yeah.
Number of network?
uh, yes, sir. Yes.
Number of network, Subhajit?
Number of network 2 to the power 5.
2 to the power 5. How you are calculating 2 to the power 5? It's a class A network. Abdul,
Plus.
Um,
Oh,
2 to the power of, I think it's a class A, right? So 21 minus
2 to the power 13. 2 to the power 13.
India.
Lakshman,
Actually,
Yes, sir.
this is
2
why
to the
I'm
power 13 is
studying
correct.
this question.
2 to the power?
13 is correct.
13. Correct.
Whole answer is
And number of hosts will be, oh,
Number of valid host
2 to the power 11 minus 2.
per network. After 10 years, when you will reach a network design position in your organization, in that interview, they will ask you these type of questions. Are you getting my point?
Mm-hmm.
so sir, sorry sir, you are not audible. Please repeat one more time, please.
After 10 years, if you work in the networking domain and will reach to the network design level position in your organization, then they will ask you in the interview these questions only.
Only these questions will
These
be asked.
questions they will ask you, because without knowing the subnetting, they will not give you the network design position. You will have to work as a L2 engineer only.
Okay.
Okay. Number of validos per network.
2 power 11 minus 2.
So, Subhajit, what will be the first network?
Sir, whether can I try this?
Yeah, you can try. Okay.
101 dot 102 dot
Okay.
portion. Then 101 dot 102 dot 110 dot 255 will be the
102.
broadcast portion.
No, no. I am asking about the first network. Network
Oh,
ID.
101 dot 102 dot 103 dot 0.
Okay.
Then the broadcast will be 101 dot 102 dot 110 dot 255. Whether it's correct?
110. You are saying.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is correct. Subhajit,
Wow, good.
is it correct? Abdul,
actually my answer is wrong from the first.
this one. What will be according to you?
I think 101.102.96.0 the network ID.
Yeah, it's like a little confusing, but yeah,
No, no.
96. Yeah.
Yeah, nothing.
The network ID should be 101, 102.96.0, right? The network. So how is it like 10
Okay.
101.02 or 103.0?
And what will be here? What will be here?
The
Uh, uh, 103.255. That's the last broadcast IP.
yeah, the usable should be 101.102.96.1.
There are two parameters. This answer is also right. This answer is also right. Okay.
Uh,
How Abdul brother, you have
No, no. 1 minute.
96, you have to.
Let me explain. Let me explain.
96. That's tricky.
That's tricky. If directly there is no condition has been given in the question, you will have to write this one, and
Yeah.
it is right. If condition has been given, you have to consider from starting, from 0 to
Yes.
8, 7,
0, 8.
8 to 15, and 16 to 23, then this
Yes.
one is correct.
Yes. Then the
Okay.
network ID is
Yeah,
96.0.
but this one is also correct.
That's
If
the
any
tricky
condition
part.
has not been given in the question, then this one is also correct. Concepts both time are correct. Both concepts are correct. Are you getting my point?
This
Sir,
is
but you are telling condition. What will be the condition like?
Condition, 1 minute, let me explain. If you go for this IP address, in which subnet this IP address will come. Where is this question?
96.0.
Then it will come under the 96.0. Okay, you will have to consider this question is come, this IP address will come under this network. Otherwise, if there is no condition, then this answer is correct. Lakshman, you need not to worry. These type of question will also
Actually,
enter the
the given
interview,
IP address is the
in the interview after 5 years. You have enough time to practice it. You need not to worry. Your logic is correct here.
Okay, sir.
yeah.
Okay, Abdul? Your answer is also right.
yeah.
Okay?
A little. This is a very tricky one, you know.
Yeah, a little tricky. I know.
Tricky means that you have to calculate from the block size 0, 8, 15.
Yeah.
That's
Last one.
and that's why you go up to 96, and the 96 is network ID, and the 103 comes
Sir,
in
can you share
96
the before screen? I
network.
will tell the next subnet whether it's correct or wrong. You will check.
Yeah. Tell me
Yeah,
the
yeah.
next one.
101 dot 102 dot 111 dot 0.
Yeah, it is correct.
Oh, yes, sir. I am on right path so that I can know.
What will be the broadcast?
Dot 111 plus 7, then 118 dot 255.
It's correct.
Okay, sir.
So, the last question. Abdul, what is the last
Last
question?
question is
Yeah,
89 dot.
Lakshman,
yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. No, no.
89 dot
16.72.4/14. I only did like a this subnet.
slash
I was writing
slash
14.
40. What will be the block size?
255.252.0.0, and the block size should be 4.
Oh, sorry. Block size, it is subnet mask.
Yeah, this is subnet one.
Block size will be
4, right?
number of network.
I was writing it, but I think let me check. I didn't write the fully this answer.
2
Lakshman.
But
to
it's
the power 6.
it is the power of 6, I think. Yeah.
Sir, number of networks will be 2 power 6.
Number of valid hosts per network.
Host, valid host will be
Yeah,
2 power 18. 2 power 18
2 to the
minus
power
2.
of 19, I think, right?
Right.
Minus 2.
2 to the power 18 minus 2.
18.
18? Okay.
18 only.
Is it correct or wrong?
Yeah,
Guruji,
18. Yeah.
Yes,
18.
sir. 18 plus
Yes, sir. Correct,
14 is
sir.
equal to 32.
Yeah, 2 to
Subit,
the power of 18.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Correct. Correct, sir.
Lakshman, what will
It
be
is
the
correct.
first network?
Sir, the first network will be 89 dot 16 dot 0 dot 0.
Okay.
Then
What?
the broadcast will be
Yes. What is the broadcast?
89 dot 89 dot 19 dot 0 dot 255.
Dot
0.255.
No.
No,
Subhajit.
255.255.
Exactly. Abdul, is it correct?
16, let's see. 89.0.0 that's a network, right? So 16, yeah, the dot 0, right? 0.1. We are starting from 1, right? 16.0.1, right?
Yes.
Divided plus, correct?
Yes.
And we are going 89.16 dot, sorry, 16, yeah, yeah, sorry, 19.255 dot, yeah, that's correct. That's a 19, yeah.
Now I think you guys are more clear than yesterday. Okay.
Then the next
Uh,
subnet will be 89.20.0.0.
yes.
Then the broadcast will be 89.23.255.255.
Exactly. Is it correct,
Okay.
Subhajit? Subhajit.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
So I am giving
18.0 dot, yeah.
six more questions. Write down, and in the weekend you have to solve it, because in the next class we will not discuss about the subnetting. Today is the end of the subnetting.
Sir, then the FLSM, VLSM, like
Yeah,
that's
what
what.
to
All
ask.
all cases has been covered for the CCNA level. It is enough for the CCNP level.
Sir, the next class on Monday.
Monday. 10.1
Oh,
dot.
for CCNA, FLSM is enough. Am I correct?
Huh?
Sorry, for CCNA, FLSM is enough.
Yeah.
You are saying.
Write down these questions quickly.
Okay.
Okay.
The second question is 72.16, 8.9, right?
Yes.
Sir, from Monday, which topic we are going to start?
On Monday we will discuss about the first of all four-way handshake. After that, TCP and UDP headers, IP headers, TCP IP header, and then we will start the routing part. Configuration mode,
Okay.
telnet, SSH. In the next week we will complete, and from the next to next week we will start the routing.
Okay, sir.
All the
Okay,
memory
sir.
part configuration, basic hardware architecture we will cover in the next week.
Sir,
Yes,
after
sir.
CCNA,
Yeah.
what kind of job we do? You have to do?
L1 level job. Only will have to monitor the network, performance of the network, and you will have some show commands and some that only just some show commands, nothing else you can. have to perform, that you can check
And
either the port is up or not, either port is down, BGP is up or not.
Only we can access the privilege mode.
Yeah, nothing beyond than that. And nowadays, in all the organizations, they are using mostly the GUI based, like Meraki. So in Meraki's and in some Juniper's series also, switches and routers, there is no need of commands. It's totally GUI based. And in all the firewalls, either it is Palo Alto, FortiGate, or Checkpoint, they are all using the GUIs only. GUIs, they are using both GUI and the commands also, CLI commands
CLI.
also. But most of the time, if you can see from the GUI, why will you write down a CLI command? Okay,
Okay,
we will discuss these things in the last of the CCNA classes. Last 2 to 3 classes
okay, sir.
totally will be based on the interviews. Okay, Abdul, have you written down Lakshman?
yes,
Yes,
sir,
I
I
got
First
have
it.
it.
question.
Yeah.
So, thank you guys. Enjoy your weekends and solve these questions also. Okay.
Sure.
Okay,
If you have
okay,
any
sir.
doubt,
Sir,
ask me in in
any
the group.
advice
Okay.
to prepare for CCNA, like
Yeah.
one who start preparing, any advice? Learn from this, like
I'm not getting your point, Lakshman.
any advice? I'm going to start my CCNA preparation. You can use this website, like any helpful things, whether you can share.
To be very honest, there is no website for the CCNA preparation. I have uh, given the CCNA exam and certified CCNA exam, but you will have to practice only from the dumps. I will try to get the dumps and I will share it to you. There is no website
Okay, sir.
which will help you.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir. The terms. Can you arrange these terms, sir?
Yeah, we will discuss. Once we will complete the CCNA classes, then we will discuss about the dumps.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you guys.
Thank you, guys. See you guys.
Okay, sir.
See you
Bye
on
bye.
Monday. Bye bye.
Okay, sir. Bye.